Hey besties, welcome back to another video, and this one is very exciting because we officially have 3 new tiers when you are shopping our wigs, and I'm going to tell you guys all about them. Listen up because there is some very good information here. Over the last 3 years, I really feel like I've gotten a grasp on what you guys are looking for, and that will be represented through all 3 of our tiers, so that way we are hitting every single quality that you guys are looking for. And the thing that I really love about when you guys are going on our website, what you're going to be looking for is going to be in the bottom right-hand corner. For our signature, you are going to see the OG, the crown. First up is our signature styles. This is the style that you guys know and love. The Catherines, the Carries, the bangs, those styles that have been really the bread and butter of our business. So a lot of this is going to come down to construction. Every fiber will still be absolutely fabulous. It's more so about that lace base. So first of all, we are going to have our T parts. These are the pre-plucked T parts, closed wefted caps, and these will be part of the signature collection. Included in our signature collection will be our bang design, and this one is going to still be our closed wefted bang caps. Sometimes they will also be open wefted, but they will still have that one clip in the back and that beautiful fiber. And then finally, we will have our 1-inch free parting styles, such as Carrie, Madeline. So again, these are that beautiful, beautiful fiber, very throw in and go easy signature styles. Next up is our diamond collection, so you will see it represented with a diamond. So this one, you're going to start seeing a little bit more lace base, a lot of that pre-plucked middle, the free parting, really beautiful, silky, soft fibers. Some of them will be very exclusive colors like Prism. She's just so special. This one right here is the beautiful Mia, and she's going to have that closed weft and those combs and those clasps for fit. Next up with our diamond collection, we have the elevated bang styles. So these ones are really special because they do have all of their combs inside, which is a really nice feature when it comes to a bang unit. And you'll also be noticing that added band. This bang unit is absolutely so exquisite. I love her fibers. This is the Elise collection. It does have the tiniest bit of permateasing in the most classy way in order to create that really nice lift. It also has this nice added feature of the velvet right on the forehead, so it can be very natural and very, very soft. And then for our Luxe, the diamond and the crown come together for the full logo, and that's how you know how to shop. And this is something that we've really been creating for the last couple of years, wanting to really nail that construction. I've been hearing a lot. People want that really, really natural, seamless, beautiful hairline, and that is what that Luxe collection is going to deliver for you because it's going to have lace. And lace is one of those words in the wig community that is the biggest buzzword. These are 13x6 lace wig caps. These ones take a ton of time and effort to really create these beautiful, beautiful, seamless styles, and that's what you're going to see from our Luxe collection. It will have those combs and those clasps for fit, and then we also really fell in love with this band. It is able to be attached and detached, which I think is really a nice feature. It's going to make them a little bit more universally sized, and what you're able to do is just clasp it on right here, and then bring it to the other side. And then you also have these adjustable straps right here in order to make it bigger or smaller. These are also completely glueless, which is very nice when you have that seamless hairline. You can just pop it right on. But you also have the option to glue it as well. And here is another awesome example. So there's just a lot of pre-plucking that goes into these Luxe crowns. Our first rendition of Luxe, if you remember, it's been about a year, there was a lot of pre-plucking on top, which could make that area very, very thin, which is not the goal. Here, I feel as if we found that perfect density in order for it to be very seamless and very natural. It does have those combs and those clasps for fit, that deep lace parting space, and then that great adjustable band. We are so excited for you guys to start shopping these styles. I'm really interested in your guys' feedback on them because I am just so proud of each and every one of these collections. It will definitely cater to all wig wearers out there. If you want just that really throw in and go style, if you want that seamless hairline, if you want to have a great experience, you will hit it with all 3 tiers of those wigs. We are so excited for you guys to experience each and every one of these tiers. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure that you guys subscribe and make sure you're checking back every week because you know that we love to do little Easter eggs with our shorts, so you do not want to miss a beat.